Hi, I'm Rusty.
I am Raver.
Hi, I'm Bernie, and welcome to Bitok University Vlog. Man! That's so corny. Hello guys, may gabi. Hello guys, welcome to another episode of vlog, and this time with my kiddos.
Hey!
Kaya syempre, karong summer nami plano nga magsaka-saka na po og bukid, and like I said sa akong previous nga vlog, galisod kato nga time sa una medyo among mga gears barag wala lang barami ga mall o guban pa, and this time medyo nigasto mi gamay ni Mrs. para ganahan mo gumimat to mga nature sa kasaka, but this time we want to have a kanang mga sakto gyud nga gears o sakto gyud na mga gamit. Let's start. You guys excited? Unsay among gipalit? I'm sure kulang pa ni kamo diha. Kung feeling niyo unsay kulang ana, then comment below. And before anything else, please congratulate me. Come on, congratulate me.
Congratulations!
Because I reached the 500 plus subscribers. Thank you guys. Thank you. You guys have a good contribution. Thank you. Thank you. All right, now let's start from very small. What do you want?
Everything.
Yeah, of course. Una, siyempre namin radyo para testingan. Is this working?
Maybe.
Power on.
Ah.
2.
Riber. Ay. No battery. Alright, dead. So, we have radio. Social. Para. Boom. Okay, next. This one. Alright, come on.
The white
Sabay na.
pack.
Okay, wait, what's it? Come on. Hear it. Sige, mami, request me water.
Oh, water pod. One lang.
One lang. We'll
Now
try
let's open this one.
this one. What's this?
Socks.
Socks. Let me see. See? Oh, yeah.
Yeah!
Alright, so
I'm opening
kailangan daw na i-medyas yun na braging ni cotton. Ang gi-advise sa mo magbutang og kanang una, kanang sa ano yun? Petroleum jelly. Tapos kato da yung socks na kanang pang formal. Kanang burag medyo danlog siya. Tapos ayat din ni siya. Labi na kung tugnaw kayo nyo tuan. Okay? Bang!
Babe,
Or sometimes it could be like a headband.
Yeah. What's this? Teddy bear.
How did that? See that one? Oh, see?
How did you do it?
There, that's it.
Baby.
I didn't see water.
Yeah, see. You bite that one, then sip. Right? Try it. You bite the gun and you sip it. See? You like it? Good. That. And then you cluck it. The locking is like that.
Bali.
Bali.
Dale.
That's it! Yes! We made it! Alright, this one is the trekking pole.
Give me the
Pole? Of course, if you will go to the mountain, we will eat man. So we need to have some
food.
utensils.
No, this one.
Chopping
No,
board.
wait. So this is a one by
Chopping
one.
board.
Chopping board. Okay, then
yeah.
this one you can put the rice or something.
Or food.
This one is
Fork.
fork. What?
Pork.
Is fork, spoon and fork in one.
It's pork
Then
and
this one is like,
Pork.
this should
see, look. Here's the magic here. Look, huh? See. For the sabaw, it's like
Oh!
nice. That to have this
supplies. Oh my.
little
Hey, try to build
stove.
it. Build it.
Alright, let's try this. Boom. Boom.
Just grab it. Please.
Oh, it's like a pan already.
So when you do there, then that's it.
Oh,
Boom.
another pan.
See, like cooking.
I am Rusty.
And I am Raver. And welcome to
The Rusty and Raver Show.
Feet.
Tuhod.
Feet.
Feet at tiil.
Yeah, very good.
Come on.
Drink.
Inom.
Inom? I thought it's Tagalog.
Kick.
Huh?
Sipa.
Kick.
Sipa.
Forehead.
Ulo.
Na.
Taas na ulo.
Ay,
Na.
taas na ulo.
Forehead.
Apat na
This one?
ulo. Apat na ulo.
No. Forehead.
What? I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Agtang.
Ah!
Again, what's forehead?
Agtang.
Good morning.
Magandang umaga.
That's Tagalog.
Umagang kay ganda.
That's Tagalog.
I don't know.
Good morning.
No.
Maayong buntag.
Ah.
Again.
Maayong buntag.
Good afternoon.
Maayong hapon. Maayong hapon.
Yes. So what is the cheeks? Cheeks.
What's that again?
Cheekbones.
Cheekbones.
This one, what's this?
Tikoy.
It's apping.
Aping.
Apping.
Aping bird.
Yeah.
Ba?
What is neck?
Leo!
Liog.
Yeah.
Ah,
Unsa ang teeth?
ngipin.
What?
Ngipon.
Nipon.
Oh, yeah.
What is the Bisaya of butt?
Lubot!
Lubot.
Huh?
That's it for now. My name is Rusty.
And I am Raver. And welcome to
The Rusty and Raver Show.
Bye-bye.
Sleep. Breathe.